welcome into another episode of the Collins Company's Vendor Spotlight series. Today we have with us Mr. Tim Carney from the Neles Company. He's going to walk us through a few key features and benefits of some of their core products. Remember, if you like what you see, or even if you don't, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and feel free to leave us a note in the comments section on other products you'd like to know a little bit more about. Without further ado, Mr. Tim Carney.
Hey guys, Tim Carney with Neles USA. Today we're going to take a deeper dive into the Neles R-Series control valve. Why don't we take a look? And here we have our Neles R-Series cutaway. It's a segmented V-ball, and what that means is you can see the segment in here. It's a segment of a ball, and here's our little V-notch. What that does is give us more precise controllability than a standard ball valve. The Neles R-Series has a rich offering. For example, no other manufacturer has 4 low CV trims. We offer things such as erosion construction, variable resistance, high temp construction, and multiple seat configurations for on-off, control, bidirectional, and soft-seated applications. Now a little bit about the design. There's several safety options that are standard with our valve. Our live-loaded packing, blowout-proof shafts, and it's a one-piece body design to cut down on leak paths. Now in terms of the shaft design, we use a 2-piece construction on the shaft to maximize the CV going through the valve. The shafts have a spline connection going into the segment, which if you can see the top of the spline right here, that's going into the segment. And then on the top here is a keyed connection going back into your actuator. So now shifting gears into our variable resistor, or Q trim, you can see it looks like an attenuator plate that's built into the segment. This is used for gas or liquid applications, and it helps with things such as noise abatement, cavitation, and vibration, while also being a self-flushing design. You can see that when the valve is open, all the media would go through and flush anything out that's caught in the Q trim. With hundreds of options ranging from different materials of construction, carbon steel, stainless steel, exotic alloys, and takeouts to meet both ball valve and control valve face-to-faces, we have an R-Series valve for you. Please contact one of your local Collins representatives today for more information.
That's it for this episode of Vendor Spotlight. Tim, thanks for being here today. Appreciate your time and expertise.
Thanks for having me, Jack.
And thanks to all of you for tuning in. Remember, subscribe to our YouTube channel and go ahead and drop us a note in the comments section on products you'd like to know more about or topics you'd like to know more about. Until next time, this has been Vendor Spotlight.